Hi, this is Paul Weinkoop out of Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, with Suburban Eco-Friendly Mining. This is a short video presentation for the miners in the Philippines. Greetings to you. We have developed a gold and precious metal extraction process that is eco-friendly and is as simplistic as possible. We start with a crushed ore that is approximately a 1/4 inch to an 1/8 inch in size. We would then convey this crushed ore to our Stutenroth crusher. We add water to the Stutenroth as we crush the ore down to a fine mesh of around 100 to 150. This fine mesh is classified by our Caisson classifier, which is shaken as the particles are being separated. The larger particles that do not make it through the finer screens are returned back to the Stutenroth and are recrushed in order to get them to the desired size. The classified ore is then transferred to a mixing tank, where it is then pumped into another stirring gravity tank that is elevated above our M7 wavetable. The M7 wavetable separates the precious metals by frequency and produces a concentrate. We extract the concentrate with a vacuum system and transfer the concentrate into a rotating vat along with our eco-friendly reagent. This solution is in process for around 48 hours. We do not use any charcoal at any time with our process. After the precious metals are dissolved and transferred into liquid, the liquid is then transferred into an electrowinning tank. The electrowinning process gathers the gold upon stainless steel plates. These plates are then scraped off to release the gold. The gold is then placed into a kiln with a flux added. After a specific time and temperature, we get a dory bar. We now have two different types of eco-friendly reagents. Both can be safely returned to the ground. Reagent number 2 puts out uric acid, which is a fertilizer owing to its nitrogen content. The form of this uric acid is guano, which is similar to the excrement of seabirds and bats, also used as fertilizer. There are two options for you to see that this process works as well as we claim. Option number 1, we ship our machinery out to the Philippines and set up our system there. This would require you to fund the shipping of our machinery, fly us out there, fund the setting of the machinery, supply the 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch crush ore, and facilitate basic housing requirements. This is explained by an email sent to Marianne recently. Option number 2, you ship your crushed ore to us, preferably a ton or so. Then you fly your constituents out here to see the process performed. You will be in charge of the handling of the ore as it arrives at the port. It will be a good idea for us to see the assay report that you have done on this particular ore. Also, the report on what you have extracted from the ore previously, so that we will be able to compare your results with ours. We are confident that our system is capable of extracting 90 to 95% of all the precious metals from even the most difficult ore matrices, such as sulfides, halides, and even tellurides. Thank you for your time and your interest in suburban eco-friendly mining. God bless you. And if you have any other questions about our process or any other questions, let me know, email me, or tell Marianne, and we can go from there. But this is an exciting system, and we are also able to clean up some of the tailings, if you have tailings, and we can clean up mercury and cyanide. I know there's a big problem out there in the Philippines with that. That being said, this is going to be a remarkable process that we can bring to the Philippines. We're also going to bring this in other parts of the world, Fiji Islands, Arizona, anywhere in the world. So it's pretty exciting. I hope you are excited as we are. And we are very confident that this will work. Option number 2 would be best. That would be the least expensive option for you guys to fly out here, send your ore via the ship, get out here, get it off the port, bring it to us, and we'll be ready to process it right in front of your eyes, and then bring your reports out here so we can compare. So God bless, and thank you for your time, and we'll be talking to you soon. Thank you. Okay, Bo, shut it off, I guess. Signing off.